Hey everyone, I'm Abdul and today I'm going to show you how to update the firmware on your AirPods just like you do on your iPhones, iPads and other Apple devices. Firmware updates are essential because they can improve sound quality, fix bugs and sometimes even add a new feature to your AirPods. To update your AirPods firmware, you'll need an iPad or an iPhone with the latest iOS installed, a stable internet connection, your AirPods in their charging case with at least 50% battery on both the AirPods and the case. First, let's see which firmware version your AirPods are currently running on. On your iPhone, go to the settings, you'll see your AirPods at the top. Tap on it and look for the firmware version. If you can't see your AirPods at the start of the settings menu, click on Bluetooth, locate your AirPods in the device list, tap the I icon next to your AirPods and look for the firmware version. Make a note of that number. To verify you have the most up-to-date firmware, visit Apple's official support website. I'll put a link in the video description. For example, you might see something like AirPods Pro 6F21. If your AirPods match the listed firmware version on the Apple website, you're already up to date. Just like my AirPods, they are currently running the latest version, so I don't have to update them. However, if your AirPods are not running the latest version, here's what you need to do. Unlike apps on your phone, there is no direct button to immediately update your AirPods. To encourage firmware update, if you are behind, connect your phone to Wi-Fi or cellular data, place your AirPods inside the charging case and close the lid. Keep the charging case plugged in using the USB cable and leave your phone nearby within a few feet distance. Give it about 30 minutes and the update should install automatically if Apple has released one for your AirPods model. After waiting, open your charging case, head back to settings, Bluetooth and tap the I icon to check the firmware version again. If it now matches what you saw on Apple's official website, you're all set. And that's all there is to it. Although Apple doesn't let you manually force an update, following these steps will ensure you have the latest firmware for your AirPods. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button and consider subscribing for more videos like this one. Drop a comment below if you have any question. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.